All right, big thing to focus on, what we talked about, is syncing up the chord change along with the chord strum. So instead of thinking about getting your left hand in position on the right beat or before the beat, you're going to move your hand when the beat comes up. So for number one here, when you say one, that's when you're going to move to the new chord. Another way to look at it is you're going to move your left hand when you strum on the one. So move your hand when you strum. And I want you to tap your foot with the metronome every time it clicks and count beats 1, 2, 3, 4 over and over and over again. Now, for the rhythm stuff that we do, pretty much any time we get to the final chord, I just hit it and I say done, just to simplify things. So it's a 4/4 time signature, so the easiest way to fill up the bar is just doing a whole note. We're going to start doing repeats next week, or whenever the next lesson is going to be. So after the repeats, I'll just hit, we have a resolve chord for these things, and I say done. So this way you're not having to wait all 4 beats, because once you know how to do a whole note, you're fine. Technically, yes, it's telling you to wait all 4 beats, but we're going to simplify and just hit it and say we're done. You'll hear and see exactly what I'm talking about very soon. Okay, so because this is brand new, I'm going to demo all 4 of these at the 4 different speeds so you're able to follow along. Now, anytime going from one speed to the next is too difficult, for example, let's say you go from 80 and you try and hit 100, and if 100 feels too fast, we'll back it down to 90 and try that. If 90 feels too fast, back it down to 85. So you're always welcome to go up in increments of 5 or 10 beats per minute. I should flip that around. You're always welcome to go up in increments of 10 or even 5 beats per minute. When we start getting into more difficult things, it will be best to go up in increments of 5, because going up in slow increments is going to make it much more possible to get faster and faster. So just like you're going to increase your strength in the gym by adding 5 pounds when it's time to increase weight versus 10 or 20 pounds, same thing here. Increasing the speed very slow will result in better results. However, the stuff that we're doing right now is not speed heavy, so it's okay to try going in increments of 20. Eventually, we'll have things where you'll need to go up by 5 beats per minute. But right now, nah. Do it if you feel it would be helpful, but it's not necessary at this point. So I'm going to count off 4 so you know when I start, so you can follow along with me. So here we go. Number 1, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Hand ready. 1, 2. Get the hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So yeah, just make sure your right hand is up and ready to strum before beat 1 comes in. So basically after beat 1, get that hand back up. Alright, so 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Alright, on to number 2. So yes, reminder, these are whole notes. You know it's a whole note because of the open circle. Whole note lasts 4 quarter notes. It will always last 4 quarter notes. So now we have half notes, so we have an open circle again, plus this vertical line. The vertical line is called a stem. I don't know why it's called a stem, but it is. So we got a stem attached to the open circle. That means it's a half note that gets the length of 2 quarter notes. So this will ring out across beats, or across 2 beats. So same thing, tap your foot when you play, count out loud all 4 beats, and change chords when you strum. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, we're done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Now some people ask, do I really need to tap my foot at the 120? Yes. Yes. But some people say, well, my leg gets tired. Well, you will adapt. And you will be able to tap your foot just fine at 120 beats per minute. So just in case the thought comes up, yeah, definitely keep tapping every beat. You will be able to tap faster, but it's very helpful to be able to do so. Okay, 60 beats per minute. Number 3, quarter notes, strumming on every beat. 1, 2, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And number 4, where the rhythm keeps changing, combining what you just learned. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Okay. So in future video recaps, usually what I do is just play the 60 and then the 120 or whatever the top speed is going to be. Sometimes I'll do a speed or two in the middle, but because this is new and just starting out, that's why I'm playing every single speed. Eventually, to help challenge you, I'll only demo some of the stuff, and then it'll be up to you to fill in the gaps. But we're not there yet, but we will. Just want you to know what's coming up. So if you have any questions with this, let me know. So what we'll do next is, at the start of the next lesson, I'm going to ask you to play everything at 60 and 120. And depending on how well you do, will determine what I give you next. And I know you said you would rather perform on Skype and have the pressure of doing so, but if you ever feel like you would prefer to record yourself and send that over first, that's totally fine. So up to you. You can record the demonstration, send it over, and I'll watch that, and then go from there, or just do it at the beginning of the lesson. Totally up to you. So yeah, I will look at your schedule and suggest a time, and you've already opened the email and you've already read the question, I would imagine, by now. So yeah, I will see you soon.